Your Roblox game might look perfect, but if the audio isn't working on your iPhone, you're missing out on the full experience. Most players don't know why it happens or how easy it is to fix. This usually happens because of muted settings, low volume, or app glitches. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Roblox audio issues on your iPhone. So let's fix it right now. Before we start, make sure your iPhone volume is up. If using Bluetooth, disconnect and reconnect, or try the device's speakers. Close apps that may interfere with sound, like music apps. After that, try these advanced solutions. Solution 1. Check hardware issue. Open up the App Store, tap the search icon, then type "Check my device" on the search bar. Tap the install icon, then tap Open. After that, tap Allow or Don't Allow. Scroll down. Now tap Sound Test. Now just tap on the screen. Now tap on the play button, and then drag the pointer to check the sound. If it's working, then there is no problem with your hardware. But if it's not working, then that means there's a hardware issue and you may need to take your device to the customer care. But if it's okay, then you can follow the next solution. Solution 2. Check in-game volume. Now open up the Roblox app on your iPhone. Now play a game and then tap on the Roblox logo in the top left corner. Now select the settings tab here. Now scroll down a little bit and here you will find the volume option. Now make sure the volume is not set to 0. Solution 3. Set output device. Go to Roblox app again. Now play a game and then tap on the Roblox logo in the top left corner. Now select the settings tab. Now scroll down a little bit. Here you will find the output device option. Now select the default core audio output option. Solution 4. Reset all settings. Open up the settings app, tap general, scroll down a little bit, and after that tap transfer or reset iPhone. After that tap reset. Now tap reset all settings. Then enter the passcode of your iPhone if it asks. Then tap reset all settings again. After this, all of your settings will revert back to default. And after resetting all settings, go ahead and check whether your problem is solved or not. Hope it works. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to hit that like button. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.